Let's come to know the future. Best future in which field? In future, what will happen? It is difficult to predict which field will dominate the future, as there are many factors that can influence the trajectory of technological progress. However, here are some fields that are likely to be important in the coming years. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI is poised to transform many industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation. With advances in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, AI is becoming more sophisticated and capable of handling increasingly complex tasks. Renewable energy. With growing concerns about climate change, there is increasing focus on developing and commercializing renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. This could lead to major changes in the energy sector, as well as in transportation and manufacturing. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to revolutionize healthcare and agriculture. Advances in gene editing, synthetic biology, and personalized medicine are opening up new possibilities for treating diseases and improving crop yields. Quantum computing. Quantum computing has the potential to solve problems that are currently beyond the capabilities of classical computers, such as simulating complex chemical reactions and optimizing supply chain logistics. This could have major implications for industries such as finance, healthcare, and materials science. Cybersecurity. As our dependence on technology grows, so does the need for robust cybersecurity measures. With the rise of connected devices and the Internet of Things, there are increasing concerns about the vulnerability of our networks to cyber attacks. Overall, the future is likely to be shaped by a combination of these and other emerging technologies, and it will be important for individuals, companies, and governments to adapt to these changes in order to thrive in the new technological landscape. Where will the world be in 2050? Predicting the world in 2050 is a challenging task, as many factors can influence how the world will look like in the future. However, based on current trends and projections, here are some possible scenarios. Population growth. The global population is expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, up from the current 7.9 billion. This increase in population could put additional pressure on resources such as water, food, and energy. Climate change. Climate change will continue to be a major issue in 2050, with rising sea levels, more frequent extreme weather events, and increasing temperatures. This will impact agriculture, water availability, and coastal communities, among other things. Technology. Technology will continue to advance, with the development of new technologies such as AI, automation, and renewable energy. This could lead to major changes in the job market, as well as in industries such as transportation and healthcare. Global economy. The global economy is expected to continue to grow, with emerging economies such as China and India becoming increasingly important players. However, there could be challenges related to income inequality and job displacement. Health. Advances in medical technology and healthcare could lead to longer lifespans and better overall health outcomes. However, there could also be new health challenges related to climate change and the emergence of new diseases. Overall, the world in 2050 is likely to be shaped by a combination of demographic, technological, economic, and environmental factors, and it will be important for governments, businesses, and individuals to work together to address these challenges and create a sustainable future for all. Economic competition in developed countries. Growth competition in the world. Technology competition in the world has been increasing rapidly over the past few decades, with countries and companies vying for dominance in key sectors such as artificial intelligence, robotics, biotechnology, and renewable energy. Here are some of the factors that are driving this competition. Economic benefits. Technology plays a crucial role in driving economic growth, and countries and companies that are able to develop and commercialize new technologies can gain a competitive advantage in the global marketplace. National security. Technology is also seen as a key component of national security, with countries investing in research and development to stay ahead of potential threats. Geopolitical power. The ability to develop and control key technologies can also translate into geopolitical power, as countries seek to exert influence on the global stage. Intellectual property. Intellectual property rights are an important aspect of technology competition, with companies and countries investing heavily in research and development to create new products and protect their inventions. Innovation ecosystem. The presence of a strong innovation ecosystem, including universities, research institutions, venture capital, and startup incubators, is crucial in fostering technological innovation. Some of the countries that are currently leading the way in technology competition include the United States, China, Japan, South Korea, and Germany. However, other countries such as India, Israel, and Singapore are also emerging as important players in certain technology sectors. In addition, competition is also taking place among companies, with tech giants such as Apple, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft all vying for dominance in various fields. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.